You finish the set, your arms are shaking. You rack the weight and think, that has to count for something. It does, but not in the way you think. Because the moment you put that bar down, your body starts a process so backwards that most people spend years in the gym completely misunderstanding it. They train harder, they train longer, and the mirror never changes. Here is the truth. Your muscles do not grow in the gym. In the gym, you are destroying them. Every rep creates tiny tears in your muscle fibers, and for a long time, people thought that damage was the whole point. Break it down, let it rebuild stronger. But the rebuild part is where everyone loses the game without ever knowing it. Stuart Phillips at McMaster University spent years studying what actually happens to muscle tissue after training. What he found changes everything. Muscle protein synthesis, the actual growth process, peaks not during your workout. It peaks 24 to 48 hours after you stop. Your muscle is still building, still growing, long after the workout ended. Which means when you go back and train the same muscle the next day, you are not adding to the growth, you are interrupting it. Your body is like a construction crew. You can blast through the wall, or you can let the builders work. You cannot do both at the same time. And here is where it gets stranger. None of that growth happens if the raw material is not there. Muscle is built from protein, amino acids. Research from the University of Texas, including work by protein metabolism expert Robert Wolfe, shows that muscle growth stalls hard when you are not eating enough protein. The target the research keeps landing on is around 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Most people eating normally are getting about half that. They are handing the construction crew a work order and delivering no materials. So here's the full picture. Your muscles grow because of the tension you put them under. They grow in the day or two after training, not during it. They need protein to actually build anything. And they need time, real, undisturbed time, before you hit them again. The gym is just the trigger. Sleep is the build phase. Food is the raw material. And rest is the part your body has been begging for every time you wake up sore and wonder if you should train again anyway. Tonight, your body will decide whether to grow. It already made that choice the last time you trained. Now you know exactly what it needed to say yes.